And so moving along here, what I've included here are some maps. Okay, so this is a map that reflects Native American cultures in the pre-Columbian age. So the pre-Columbian age is the pre-Columbus age. So before Native American culture was upset and colonized through the Spanish conquista. Okay, so a lot of times we're aware of the North American variants of Native American people, but we want to be paying attention to this Mexican area here, right, which is labeled Middle America, right, and you can see that the Mexican area moves up into what is now the United States. Okay, so there are indigenous populations uh, that are Native American, excuse me, and they are, you know, they're there, right? It's their homeland, right? That's where they live, and so the European settlements are going to come in and upset the apple cart. And we see here where the Aztec civilization is located, right? And so Anzaldúa will be using a lot from Aztec civilization and Aztec culture, okay? So just keep that in mind. And then her preface here, right? So she highlighted some of the key moments here. So this is the most straightforward part of the text. So she's talking about physical borderlands, right? Which is Texas, U.S. Southwest / Mexican border. But, you know, she's talking more about psychological borderlands, sexual borderlands, and spiritual borderlands, right? So she is working the borderlands idea, the idea of difference of race, class, gender, and sexuality in this text. She happens to be doing it through a Latin X perspective, which is located where she grows up. She grows up in Texas. She's a fifth generation American, right? A fifth generation American who also happens to be of Spanish descent and of Indian descent, right? And so her cultural identity is conflicting with a lot of the political realities and political history of our world. So she says, she gives a definition of borderlands. Borderlands are physically present wherever two or more cultures edge each other, where people of different races occupy the same territory, where under lower, middle, and upper classes touch, where the space between two individuals shrinks with intimacy. So a definition of borderlands there.